I wanted to take a minute to share with you guys a success story of one of our customers that completed the credit rebuilding program. Our customer is trading in his 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan, and talk about an upgrade. He just got approved for this 2016 Mercedes C300 because it was his dream vehicle. He successfully completed our credit rebuilding program. Now, what does that mean? It means pay your car payments perfectly for 12 to 16 months so that we can get you approved for your dream vehicle. Check out this car, guys.